billete. Some tacos. Tacos. The world's most expensive tacos. We're here in Austin, Texas at Circuit of the Americas, COTA in other words. It's a road racing track, not drag racing, road racing. Yeah, and he came with me in his Camaro and I drove the C8. Yeah. Good drive up here, but even better being here. This track is insane. I've watched F1 here because my wife and I are really into F1, and watching them race and being here, it's totally different. Look at the freaking incline. That thing is massive. Can you even hear what he's saying?
Yeah.
I'm not even saying words.
It's pretty loud.
I'm gonna have to put subtitles on this whole video just because of the.
It's loud.
Some of these cars.
That car's so sick.
Crazy.
That car's so sick.
What do you think?
Pretty legit. I love it.
What do you think? You're the experienced driver here.
I want to be out there right now. That's all I got.
Yeah. Waiting. We're just hanging out, waiting for our buddy Mike for his turn up. They're gonna start lining up over here in the pits, and then they'll guide them onto the track once this. They kind of do it in clumps of, I guess, experience. You got your novice guys and then your medium guys, and then different levels. They all go out at the same time. These cars out on the track right now look pretty advanced.
How does that feel when you grip the steering wheel normally?
Yeah, I like it.
Do you have enough elbow here? So you'll feel a lot more control over it too.
My dream car growing up was this year model Viper GTS. Obviously, I like the blue with white. That was the classic. But I've only seen one up and close until Mike got this one. But yeah, it's badass. Mike's car's going to be done for the day with a small issue on the radiator, but luckily we still have more racing sessions, so they're allowing Mike to actually race in Andy's ZR1. We just got to swap over the sticker. The ZR1 should do pretty well on the track, and he's got the instructor with him, so they should be pretty fun. He does want to come back in February and drive the Camaro through here, so I think that's the plan later on in the year.
It's gonna be pretty cool.
That's gonna be pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, hell yeah. I asked Chris to come look at it just to make sure the tires are not even like old, but just to make sure that the tire. I don't want to send them out there with like half-ass tires or whatever.
Yeah, I think I'll be alright.
I think they're fine.
We'll have Chris go over it. He can give it the seal of approval.
Yeah. I want him to compare from both of them, so he knows that he would have got his ass kicked if he would have raced me.
Get a video of me putting my name on Andy's car, dude. It's my car now, motherfucker.
other car. He's terrible. Terrible. Done. We fired you like twice already over there.
Saw the very equivalent to this one, but if you had those tires on here, you'd be able to push it a lot harder.
What happened with the GT500?
I tried my hardest to beat him. I really did.
You literally got fired.
But
At
then
that
he
point, I was
get-
like,
but then
can
he
you call
spin off
HR
the
and tell him to
track
get
or
the driver off the car?
I don't know what he did. Then he was behind you.
Yeah, what happened?
Yeah.
You end up like a minute and then.
He pulled off the track on the back straight.
Oh,
came
that-
in through the
that
pit.
makes sense.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I had my eyes on that guy, dude. I was like,
Yeah.
it's not.
And I was like, come on, Mike, push this motherfucker.
man.
And he was like, yeah. Went 3 wide there for a minute.
There was 3 times where the car, even with traction control, was wanting to get out. So I was having to get off of it, you know.
Well, it has 25% slippage, so I'll let you get out of trouble,
Yeah, you can feel it.
and then it'll kick you,
You
back
can
in.
feel it, dude. It's like, it makes this weird, you know,
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
it just kind of gets in line, you know.
There you have it. Good time out here at Coda in Austin. We're going to come back. Like I said, Andy does want to get on the track, so probably in February, the next one of these events. We're going to try to come out and have Andy actually get on the track with ZL1 and see what happens. Yeah, we'll come back. As if for now, we're going to pack up, go eat, and then head back home and go from there.
Oh, he let you?
No, he told me. He was like, let him pass.
Yeah, because